Welcome to the future. The future car. Introducing Ocean 5. Presents the Quest. When we think of our future, the first thing that strikes our mind is stuff packed with features such as luxury, safety and robotic things that reduce human effort and make our lifestyle easier. In the case of cars, the future awaits for the same. Cars with more comfort, feature safety and less human efforts that make our road trips luxurious and enjoyable with less worries. Computerized car is the key to step into the future of our wonders. As we know, with time, computers have taken every aspect of our present world in its grip, ensuring more systematic and faster service with less effort. And in the future, it is obvious that most of our work would be through computers. A computerized car would pave way for other technologies more easily and quickly. An advanced computerized car would cost Rs 15,000 to 40,000 more than normal price of a car and itself provide opportunities for installation of future development at minimal price. Advantage of computerized cars. Number 1. A computerized car would promote sophisticated driving technologies such as driving with a digital steering wheel, which is very helpful for comfortable driving. Number 2. It would promote steering the car with voice control. Especially, this technology would be the most vital advancement in the development of cars. It would give the driver leads to relax his muscles while driving the car with voice commands. Number 3. Computerization would assemble all the functions, making it easier for the driver to drive safely. But more significantly, its usefulness concentrates in bringing in other technological advancements. Voice control. Autonomous car. The best development in car world is the auto driving technology. The ability of a car to drive people to their destinations on their own without any human involvement. The autonomous car does not require any human assistance in driving the car. The car should be stuffed with features like distance analyzing hardware, camera and photo analyzing systems, sensors, advanced GPS system, etc. to promote this technology, which all will require active software assistance, which could only be achieved through a computerized car. The only factor resisting this technology from the market is their high price. The price of such a car is increased tremendously due to the whole set of other assisting systems that are required for transporting safely. But it is likely that in future the same would be achieved at a low price with advancement of science. Car safety features. Today, road accidents record a huge number of deaths every day. The reasons for such a huge loss of life are mistakes of drivers, car incapability during emergency, road problems and accessibility of the surroundings. These accidents could be reduced with the help of certain safety features. Lane departure system. It is warning system which activates itself when the car moves from one lane to other. This system helps warn significantly when the car departs from its scheduled lane unwantedly, avoiding an impending accident. Brake assistance. It is one of the vital systems in case of an emergency. This system senses a given area at the front and readies itself for a hard braking in case of blockage too close or an abruptly slowing vehicle at the front. In these cases, even a soft touch in the brake pedal would activate a hard braking, thus avoiding an accident. This system is helpful because in case of such an emergency, the driver may not be able to react significantly to press the brake pedal so hard, or the pedals would not produce the necessary braking and thus result in collision. Adaptive Cruise Control. This system with its advanced radars and sensor fully equipped with the important function of car control provide a significant safety system. It monitors the movement and speed of the other vehicles around the car and adjusts itself accordingly. In case any car comes close enough to activate brake assistance and tightens the seat belt for the safety of the passengers, and on recovery of the condition, it adjusts itself to its normal attributes. Blind spot detection. The system gets activated with turn signal and while reversing and reports about any disruption which the driver cannot see with a kind of alarm. It is a short-range detection system. Rollover stability control and prevention. If the car whips around a corner too fast or swerves sharply, the system would sense it as potential rollover. It will apply brake and modulate throttle as needed to help maintain control, and also tighten seat belts and extend roll bars as a prevention. In case of a rollover, it will set a call to SOS. Surrounding airbag system. Airbags are no new technology, but a sophisticated airbag system senses the position and posture of the occupant and pop up accordingly. Even side curtain airbags play a significant role in the safety of the occupants from splashing window glass tints. Night vision. The system could be infrared imaging or thermal imaging, which would bring a bright image of the path ahead, which will give a vision quite clear, which is invisible to naked eyes. Rear view camera. This camera provides a clear image of the rear of the car, which helps the driver while reversing the car. Tire pressure monitoring system. As the pressure in the tires is a very important aspect which could induce certain accidents, this system monitors the above and reports during alarming readings. Emergency assistance. During a case of accident, this system puts a call to SOS service and other member assigned for in such cases. Even though many systems are used in these safety measures, a central computerized system is the first requirement for all of them. A central computer control helps assembling all these systems in one place by making it easier to work with them. Digital goods. With a computer system in cars, the possibilities could be extended even deeper into the digital world with Wi-Fi and internet connection. Apps. Digital applications are called apps. After the user's acquaintance with the Cool tablet and Android handset apps, it is likely even a car could be stuffed with such apps which would help the pilot and even occupants in many ways. Different locating apps in dashboards would be more helpful than concerning the other devices that would distract attention. Entertainment. Likely a future car should include some entertaining features which will fill the occupants. With a computer system installed, it is not all a concern, but to make it more presentable, a holographic display would would be enough. With this, the passengers could enjoy their journey with games, movies, internet, photo slideshow, and more. Even by creating sync with handsets, the calls could be diverted to the car computer system, which will reduce distraction of drivers while driving. Along with voice recognition and holographic display, other utilities could be used such as texting, updating social networking pages, and accessing mails with less distraction. Entertainment. Holographic display. Computerized car is the key to step into the future of our wonders. As we know, with time, computers have taken every aspect of our present world in its grip, ensuring more systematic and faster service with less effort. And in the future, it is obvious that most of our work would be through computers. Car-to-car connection. Remote control. A computerized car can even provide control over the vehicle remotely. The connection could be set up through different mediums such as for short distance, that is while parking or garaging, could be done through Bluetooth. For longer distances, Wi-Fi or radio control could be established. Even remote control could be used from inside the vehicle from non-driver seat while relaxing. These are more convenient as the connection could be set up in handsets or other devices very easily. Health monitoring. Health monitoring system is very useful because they monitor the condition of the driver for safe driving. The safety feature includes heart rate monitoring, which is set in the seat and always monitor the heartbeat rate of the person through electrical pulses. In case of any emergency situation, the vehicle overrides the system and takes on the control. It drives the car to the sliding with the emergency signal on and set a call to SOS service. Eco mode. This is another system that is used in the future. With all developments, it is likely to even show some concern on the surroundings. This mode provides user with the most eco-friendly route and also other green tips. Moreover, this mode works as an utility which when on adjusts different functions to such values which are eco-friendly and economic at the same time, like limiting speed, maximum fuel utility, limited power consumption, etc. and ensuring more efficiency. The system rewards for eco-friendly driving behavior. When 4-leaf clover display is filled green, the driver is eligible for rewards from their dealership. A computerized car would financial GPS. With advancement in technology, the next innovation would be something of daily usefulness. A financial GPS system works somewhat like e-banking. This system records everything in one bill which the consumer would receive after a month with every car-related expenses. Parking cost, toll-free, gas refilling cost, their lease, their roads, insurance cost, even full repair coverage which would be automatically paid through this system. The system is connected to the user's bank account from where the bills would be paid. With this system, the user could have control over the car-related expenses. Not driving for a week would save the lease, insurance and even municipal tax. Ablaze. Our model. Our work is based on some features we have talked about earlier. We have made a computerized car which provides digital steering for the car, remote control over the car with radio connection setup, autonomous car over a pre-selected route, land departure system, voice control. In our model, we have set up things in quite different ways to bring to you those sophisticated functions at low budget and similar ways which could be installed in the original cars too. In a car, we could install a computer system easily with output to dashboard and other systems, but in our model, it's not possible to install a computer at such small size. So here, we introduce another feature of our future car, that is remote control. We have connected the car to an external computer system. The connection is set up through radio signal. Software with the function is used in the computer, which then sends the signal to a radio modulator. The radio modulator changes the information to radio signals and sends them to another modulator in the car, which would then retrieve the data and cause the machine effects to the circuit. The voice control of our car also works with the same software. The voice commands from the receivers are processed and the corresponding function is activated, giving a perfect voice command control over the car. The autonomous car that we have made possible is a raw software-based feature that only provides the auto drive technology without any other assistive system that ensures safety. This system could be used with a GPS system. In our model, it works with a predefined command based on time. Our assembly: Tomosha Mukherjee, Trisha Banerjee, Pritam Dhar, Chandan Mahanti, Vishal Chakraborty. Working:
The journey to this success was not easy. Crossing every hurdle today, the idea of a future car is proved to be real. Gaining concepts from every corner and using them technically is praiseworthy. Realistic features are induced in every part of this car. This model shows a blend of science and creative thought. Present art has blazed with its immense blazing, which has once again proved that our present can deal with future.